Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we are going to see how to crochet this simple keyring Mickey and Minnie, which is again a very simple project to make. You can make it in few minutes, and not only this is easy, this makes a wonderful gift. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. So for this project I will need 4 colors of yarn: red, yellow, pink and black, and stitch marker, scissors and 3mm crochet hook. So for now I'm going to show you how to make Minnie. The same way you can make Mickey as well. For Minnie I am using pink color yarn. For row 1 I am going to do a magic ring and 6 single crochets around the magic ring. We are going to work in a spiral, so we are not going to do a slip stitch at the end of each round. So we are going to continuously work. So row 1 would be 6 single crochets around the magic ring, and then we can go ahead work towards our second row. So now we have done 6 single crochet. We can start working our second row. For row 2 we are going to work 2 single crochets on each stitch. So at the end of the row 2 we'll have 12 stitches. So for row 3 we are going to work 1 single crochet on one stitch and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around. So it's again an increment round. So at the end of row 3 we will have 18 stitches. So for row 4 we are going to work 1 single crochet on first 2 stitches and then 2 single crochet on the third stitch around. So we are going to work 1 single crochet in 2 stitches and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around. So at the end of row 4 we will have 24 stitches. So for row 5 to 7 we are just going to work only one single crochet on each stitch around, so there is no increment. So we are just going to work one single crochet on each stitch around for rows 5 to 7. So at the end of each round we will have 24 stitches. So now I've completed my 3 non-increment rounds. So now I'm going to change my color to black and start working my row 8. For row 8 to 10, again there is no increment. We are just going to work one single crochet on each stitch around. So at the end of each row from 8 to 10 we will still have 24 stitches. So continue working one single crochet on each stitch around for row 8 to 10. So now I've completed my 3 rounds. Next we are just going to work decreases. So for row 11 we are going to work 2 single crochet, that is one single crochet each on first 2 stitches and single crochet 2 together in next 2 stitches. So at the end of row 11 we will have 18 stitches. So we are going to work one single crochet each on first 2 stitch and single crochet 3 together on third stitch around, third and fourth stitch around. So at the end of row 11 we'll have 18 stitches. This is a first decrease round. So for row 12 we'll work one single crochet in one stitch and single crochet 2 together on next to 2 stitches around. So at the end of row 12 we will have 12 stitches. So once we are done with row 12 we can start to fill our work using a fiber fill. So I'm just filling my work with fiber fill, and then we can start working our last row, that is row 13. For row 13 we are just going to work single crochet 2 together around. So we'll work single crochet 2 together 6 times. So this will be our last row. Then we can fasten off, do a slip stitch, and then you can attach your yarn to a tapestry needle and you can sew your hole if you have anything open in the last round. So we can sew them around. Now I've sewn my holes. So this is how my Minnie Mouse keyring looks so far. We can start making the ears for the Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse. So for this we are going to do a magic ring and 6 single crochets around the magic ring, and then we will be having 6 stitches on at the end of our row 1, and then we can start working our row 2. So row 2 again will be having 2 single crochets on each stitch around. So again for the ears we are going to work in a spiral, so we are not going to do a slip stitch at the end of each round. So we will be working 2 single crochets on each stitch around. So our ears will be ready. Then we can fasten off, slip stitch, and just leave a long tail for sewing. So now one of our ears is ready. So we will need to make one more ear. Now my ears is complete, so I'm going to sew my ears to the Mickey Mouse base amigurumi. So this is where I will keep my ears and then sew them. So my ears are done and they have been sewed to the Minnie Mouse keyring. So now we can start making the bow. For bow we are going to do a magic ring, chain 3, and then 3 double crochets in the magic ring, again chain 3, slip stitch, and then work chain 3, 3 double crochet in the magic ring, and then chain 3, slip stitch, and then tighten your magic ring, and you can fasten off your yarn and leave a long tail for sewing, and then you can just roll both of your yarns back and forth in the center of your bow, and then sew your bow to the Minnie Mouse keyring. Now I've sewn my bow to the Minnie Mouse keyring. So I'm going to attach this keyring to my work. So likewise I've done Mickey Mouse keyring as well. So for this yellow button, we are just going to work a magic ring and 4 single crochets around the magic ring for this yellow buttons for the Mickey Mouse. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is really simple to make, and please try this at home and let me know your comments. And please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.